Okay, let's see here. I stuck with the one from yesterday. We're gonna stick with, on the way in, on NPR, they've got the president's budget's out, people are angry, and the Republicans' budget's out, and people are angry, and the superintendent left email to us today about budget deficit, what our deficit's gonna be for next year. So my idea is going to be, this is going to take a while, it's a big one, but we're going to kind of break it up. The kids are going to learn about the different parts of the school. There'll be groups that maybe learn about New York State mandates, transportation part of the budget, teaching, instruction, athletics, and they'll each have a group and they'll learn and become experts in that part of the budget and then advocate as to why it's important and share the mandates with the kids. So that's part one. And then part two is they'll have to then go and decide how they're going to cut 500,000. We're looking at more than that, but I figured I didn't want to make it too hard on them. But some number, a big number, 800,000 out of a $12 million budget, 500,000 out of 12 million, and where they're going to make the cuts and where they can make savings, and then present their findings to the class. We'll have different groups and then possibly have a debate. They're also going to have to find out and then as a group that will be their final thing, and then as individuals their final thing will be their philosophy on education, what's most important to them, and what needs to be protected in their lives. So
Technically send it to the board, maybe the board would take notice and might even cut something.
Yeah, but we're going to maybe have the business officer come in and speak to the kids.
I think there's a lot of elements there that make it authentic, because you can bring in people from the real school, you can bring in the transportation director we talk about, who's a very department. What's the driving question to kind of bring it back to?
What does education cost?
And that's kind of a real overarching question. What'd you say? I think that was good.
What is the price for a good education?